With so many features and tools available in the Boardmaker editor, you may want to customize the settings to best meet your needs. User Settings allows you to customize the Boardmaker editor interface, access methods, voices, symbol libraries, and more. Choose your settings once and they will carry over every time you open the editor. Let's look at how to access user settings. From the Boardmaker Editor dashboard or editor, select the three lines. Select User Settings. General will allow you to choose where the software opens when you launch the app. The dashboard is selected by default, but Open Last Project and Open the Editor are available in the drop-down. Interface contains two sets of options. Customize the measurement tools in the editor by choosing the measurement units. Add a grid to the editor workspace and add a ruler to the editor workspace. Here, you can also customize the space between buttons for the spray button feature. Play offers several customizations. Access method allows you to choose how the activity will play in play mode in the editor. Most of the time, teachers keep this at the default Simple Touch. See Access Methods videos to see how to change the access method in student accounts. Audio cue determines whether a label or programmed phrase is spoken when a student hovers over a button. Toggle to on if preferred, and select other settings like voice and rate. Stop button allows you to choose whether a stop button is shown in play mode for templates that have a stop button built in. Some students may select the stop button before completing the activity, so this allows you to remove it if it's distracting to learning. Message window gives options for properties and help students will see when completing writing activities. Choose whether the message window should auto-capitalize and add a space after words. Also choose whether symbols should populate above each word. Choose if words and phrases should be spoken immediately when entered into the message window and when the message window should be cleared. Next, choose how thick the cursor will appear in the message window box and determine print orientation and margins. Hover, when enabled, highlights buttons as the cursor moves over them. Use the toggle to hover on and off. Text-to-speech offers several voices to choose. Select Listen to hear the voice and select Additional Voices to download additional voice options. Use the slider to make the voice slower or faster. Highlight Speech allows you to customize if words, sentences, and symbols are highlighted when spoken. It also allows you to choose a highlight style and color. The last setting available is Symbol and Language. Under Symbol Management, choose which symbol libraries you want to access in the editor. Symbol search ordering gives options for the order in which symbols show in a symbol search. Choose the order of the libraries, form, gender, skin tone, and age. Use the radio buttons to choose color symbols or black and white. Content filtering allows you to choose whether you have access to explicit symbols. Most instructors keep this off and only use it when creating a social story or needed for an older student. Language allows you to select a default label language and search language. Once you've made all customizations, select Save. Choose settings that maximize your productivity and make learning most engaging for your students. Be sure to check out our other videos to learn more about how to use Boardmaker. Boardmaker, the power to achieve.